Hello kids, welcome to my channel. Let's learn some colors. Green,
Green,
sand green, white,
pink, black, indigo,
indigo and blue. Today we are going to learn 2-letter words. Let's start to write. A, N,
N, A, M,
M,
A, S,
S,
L, T,
A, T, at,
I,
F, if,
F,
D, O, do बोलो. D, O, do.
B, E,
B, B, E, B.
I, S,
I, S, is. Kids, I, S, is. A, N, O. No. It's no. U, S, us.
U, S, us,
M,
N,
Y.
Y,
My.
my,
S,
S,
O.
O,
So.
so,
O,
O,
X, ox.
X, ox,
I, T,
I, T,
it.
it,
I,
I,
T, it.
T, it,
G,
G,
O.
O,
Go.
go,
Go.
go,
A, N, N. A, M, M. A, S, S. A, T, at. I, F, if. D, O, do. B, E, B. I, S, is. N, O, no. U, S, us. M, Y, my. S, O, so. O, X, ox. I, T, it. G, O, go. Bye. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.